Hello, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for December 17, 2019. Today, we're taking a look at the USDJPY, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, for today's trade analysis. I want to go back in time a little bit here on the daily time frame. Look back here where the black circle is. You can see the market finding resistance at the green shaded area on the left, pressuring lower, making another run to the green zone, pushing above it, finding support, and then moving higher within the trend. So that's an interesting area as we begin discussing our current market, as the market is finding resistance once again underneath that same green shaded area. 109.55, 109.70 is that green zone. So again, historically, black circle, we saw resistance, pullback, rally, break, and continue. All right, so we've seen also some other resistance underneath this green zone. Let me draw out another circle here, right about right there, where that smaller black circle is. You can see resistance into that same green shaded area. So it's pretty clear that historically we've seen significant price action around this green zone. Not unlike in between there, right in between those two black circles, we've seen support into that same 109.70 level right here in between the two left black circles, support there. So it's a significant decision zone for the dollar yen. Either it stays underneath it as resistance and turns lower, or it gets above it, uses it as support, and goes higher. That's what's happening historically around this green zone. So we zoom it in on the day today. Not too far in the past, we saw resistance here again. 1, 2, 3, 4 days found resistance here, and the market turned back lower. For the past several weeks, we've been somewhat of in a range here between the pink zone, 108.40, 108.30, and the green zone at the top of that black box that you see there on my chart. So again, past couple of weeks, we've seen them resistance, fall to the support, right now back to the resistance. We know that pretty clearly now. There's one of two things that are going to happen here at this green zone. Either we see the breakout, finally, eventually a breakout above 109.70, and we look for it to go higher. Back up here to this pink shaded area at the top of the chart, which is 110.30 down to 110.15. So we can't be confident in that yet. There's no real evidence that it's going to do that. It hasn't gotten above 109.70. In fact, so far, it has been unable to get above and stay above 109.70. So we can't have confidence that it's going to do that quite yet. The other opportunity is that it finds resistance and bounces down. That's what it did the last time we were here. We could find resistance, 109.55.70, find resistance, turn around, and go right back down to the bottom towards the black trend line. That's one possibility, so we want to watch for evidence of that as well. 4-hour time frame right there into that same green shaded area that we've been looking at. There it is back here again. There is our historical resistance into the green zone. We can see what happened back there. The market found resistance, reversed, and had a significant free fall. Here we are again into the right side. Here we are finding resistance again. So again, there's two potential scenarios that we're looking for to play out today here right around this green zone. Either it's going to find resistance and go down, or it's going to break and go higher. I can't say it's going to break and go higher until I see a candle body get above that green zone. Until I get above the green zone, I'm not going to look for any long opportunities here for the dollar yen. However, the other option is, again, looking for those short opportunities. We actually have better risk reward for going short than we do for going long here on this currency pair. We need probably another significant sell-off on the USD. We'll talk about that in the trade room later today. What does a sell-off of the USD look like on the dollar chart? We'll look at that during the trade room. But these are the two scenarios that we're looking for today on the dollar yen. Either we have significant sell-off back underneath 109.50 and we look for reversal, or a breakout above 109.70 for continuation higher for the dollar yen.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.